I think like the hardest part about recording alone and making these drinks is that when I mess up, I have to drink all of them. What's up guys, it's me, Josh, the unofficial Disney guide, coming right back at you again with another episode in our series, Drinking Like Disney, where we're exploring the drinks right now from Lamplight Lounge. And today, I got a special one for you again. It's gonna be the short. It's a gin-based drink using Plymouth Gin, some citrus products, and using Agave Nectar. It's gonna be a little sweet, it's gonna be a little strong, but I guarantee it's gonna be a lot of fun, and I guarantee it's gonna make you a lot of fun. Guarantee it. But before we go any further, go ahead and click like, subscribe, turn that bell on for notifications. Now, let's get drinking. Okay guys, so to start, go ahead and get some ice into a cocktail shaker. Next, we're gonna go ahead and get our Plymouth Gin into the mix. I'm gonna do about 2 ounces of Plymouth Gin here. You can go a little bit more if you'd like. You can be a little bit more fun, doesn't matter. You can go a little less if you don't like gin. But this gin is a really good gin. I've already tried it beforehand. Trust me, you're gonna like it. Okay, now that we have the gin in there, we're gonna go ahead and do a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Now, I find that out of 2 good-sized quartered limes, I can get about that 1/2 ounce of lime juice we're looking for, but obviously that all depends on how juicy your lime is, how old it is, if you've rolled it out, whatever. 1/2 ounce lime juice. Next, we're gonna go 1 ounce of lemon juice. So we're gonna go 1/2 ounce more. Again, this is all dependent on the size of your lime, how juicy your lime is, and how much juice. But we're looking at about 1 ounce of lemon juice here. For me, this takes about 2 lemon wedges out of the lemon that I used. All right, right into the mixture. All right, so I've already added the gin, I've added the citrus, so I've got that sour, acidic lemon and lime, and I've got that dryness from the gin. So now I'm gonna add some agave nectar to give it some sweetness. You can use store-bought agave nectar, you can try and find some cool agave nectar, it doesn't really matter, but we're only gonna go about 1/2 ounce. Give it some sweetness. Perfect. Okay, now the fun part. We shake. You know, if you have guests, this is a great time to entertain. Make them think you're like a real bartender, actually. All right. Go ahead and serve this in an old-fashioned glass, just as they would at Lamplight Lounge. We're gonna be pouring this, no ice, into the cup. It may not seem like a lot, but trust me, it has a kick. So we're gonna go ahead and top this up with some club soda to really give it some fizz and bubbliness on your tongue. And to make yourself really feel like you're at Lamplight Lounge, go ahead and top that off with a tomato, jalapeno, and pepperoncini, just like they would at Lamplight Lounge. And wait, one more thing before we get going. Your Lamplight Lounge coaster to really give you that feeling like we're back at Disneyland. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the short. For some more amazing Disneyland cocktail recipes, go ahead and follow Darling of Disney on Instagram. I'll have her link below. And for some amazing interviews and podcasts with some unbelievable people that have worked on some amazing Disney films and just at the Disneyland parks, etc., go ahead and follow Beyond the Mouse podcast. I'll also have their link below. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe and stay tuned for next week. Cheers.